National Weather Service in Newport has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Jones County in eastern North Carolina, northeastern Onslow County in eastern North Carolina until 8 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pumpkin Center and Maysville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Scattered strong thunderstorms.